Hello parent everybody, welcome to my new update video of this class Pathshala. Today I solve a special math. Here is given that root over 20 into 21 and 22 and into 23 plus 1. Use a calculator to simplify. Let's go start. How can we solve this easily? Here we can write that root over 20 into 20 plus 1 and 20 plus 2 and into 20 plus 3 plus 1. Understand? Here 20 and 21 is equal to 20 plus 1 and 22 is equal to 20 plus 2 and 23 is equal to 20 plus 3. Okay, now we let 20 is equal to here 20 20 20 20. Y is equal to u, so we can write root over u into u plus 1 into u plus 2 and u plus 3 plus 1. Okay, then we multiply the u and u plus 3 and multiply u plus 1 and u plus 3. Okay, so we can write here u into u plus 3 second bracket close and u plus 1 into u plus 2. Okay, second bracket close plus 1. Then we multiply this u square plus 3u into and u square plus 2u, u square, u and u is equal to u square, u and 2 is equal to 2u, and u and 1 is equal to u, and 1 and 2 is 2 plus 1. Okay friends, then we can write here u square plus 3u and u square plus 3u plus 2 plus 1. Okay, here is u square plus 3u and u square plus 3u is common, so we let u square plus 3u is equal to x. Okay, now we can write here as x into x plus 2 plus 1. Okay friends, then we can write here is x and x is x square plus x and 2 is equal to 2x plus 1. Here we know that a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b all square. Okay, so we can write here x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. Okay, then we use this formula, the root over x plus 1 all square. Here a square and root cancel, so here is x plus 1. Now x is equal to u square plus u square plus 3u plus 1. Putting the value of x, again u is equal to 20, so we can write 20 square plus 3 into 20 plus 1. Here 20 square means 400 plus 3 into 20 is equal to 60 plus 1 is equal to 461. Okay, this is the final value of this math. Okay, everybody, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.